Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from this 2015 Range Rover Autobiography. So any screen, you see there, you've got Please Connect Phone there. So it's showing it hasn't, there's no phone available. If I click Please Connect Phone, it brings up the phones that are already connected or are already paired with the system. That's my phone, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, and I want to delete it. Delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Autobiography.